Assalamu alaikum. This is Hussain. As you know, that today we are in CLC Creative Leadership Conference in Islamabad, F9 Park. This Creative Leadership Conference is organized by some institutes, so we can say that it's organized as we can say that Let's Connect. And today we will ask different questions regarding about the digitalization of Pakistan, about their fields from different people, as this is a networking event. So we will do networking and stay tuned with us. Thank you. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
What's your name?
Myself, engineer Haris Ahmed.
Okay, Haris Ahmed. What's your expertise in field?
My expertise, I am working as a certified public accountant,
Okay.
LLC, LTD expert, tax consulting, and running own agency. An agency name is Neom Formation, and working from Alhamdulillah last 3 years.
Okay, last 3 years. Have you joined this session for what purpose?
Basically, the reason is networking, business networking, to groom and to boost and to learn something from special guests, special peoples.
Okay, so how you think about your future? That what's your future and your career building in this field?
The future is to boost my channel, to boost my website, to hunt a new client,
Okay.
and to learn many things from these people.
Okay, what do you suggest to the newbies who are coming currently in this fields?
My suggestion is that try to learn the basic skill from scratch up, and then groom to another field. For example, if you are a student, so start to learn some basic skill. I'm myself engineer Haris Ahmed. I study 4 year, and after graduation, I have no expertise. But
Okay.
after education, I started that we have to learn some skill. After skill, we get a best knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Most
Haris.
welcome. Most
Inshallah.
welcome.
Allah.